Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to machine learning and you feel scared or confused, then this video is especially for you. Today I want to clear one big myth. ML is not magic. It is simply a way converting data into a decision. No superpowers, no mystery, just logic. And most people feel afraid when they hear the word ML, and the reason are very simple. It sounds complex, and it looks like math, and it feels like magic. Even I felt the same when I started. So if you feel this way, you are completely normal. Now, let me tell you the truth about ML. First, ML is not magic. It works on mathematics, statistics, and probability. Second, ML does not think like humans. It has no brains, no emotion, no understanding. ML only follows pattern from data. It learns from example and repeats the data it learns. That's all. And the main thing is this is the simplest definition of machine learning. That machine learning is a process of converting data into decision. First, we give data, the model learns, and finally it makes decision. Let's understand this with a very common example. Spam emails. Spam emails, which is a real world problem. That emails come into your inbox. Step 2, machine learning checks and patterns like word use, senders, and previous emails spams. There's two decisions. It is spam or it is not. No human is checking every email. The ML learn from the past data. Like another example, Netflix. Netflix. Now think about Netflix. Whatever you watch become data, movies, series, like watch time, everything. Machine learning finds pattern in this data, and based on those pattern, Netflix recommends shows the you new way. Like Netflix is not reading your mind; it's reading your data, your watch history, and all. Like example 3, credit card fraud. Another important example is credit card fraud detection. Bank analyze transaction data like amount, transaction, and time. If they see unusual behavior such as sudden large purchase, the system raise an alert. Finally, it decides fraud or safe transaction. Again, data leads to decision. And so machine learning is always a process. First, data collect and prepare data. Second, learn train the model to find patterns. Third, decide make prediction or decision. If you understand the flow, ML becomes very simple. And the main thing, ML is easy to learn because there is no magic involved. Everything is step by step. You don't need to know everything at once. Anyone can learn ML if they follow the right path. And data is the foundation of ML. Every ML model starts with data. If you understand the flow and the data concept, you can learn ML. Just like these students, your journey will grow step by step from basic to advanced. Now that you understand that ML really is, let me know. Tell you what we are going to do next in this series. In the upcoming videos, we will start understand the complete ML workflow from data collection to making prediction. Then we will build your first ML model step by step with proper explanation and hands-on practice. And after that, we will work on real-world projects so you can see how ML is actually used in real life. This series is designed to take you from beginner to confident. And if you are just starting your ML journey, remember this one line. Start simple, stay consistent. You don't need to understand everything in one day. ML is learnable when you take it step by step. In the next video, we will start understanding the ML workflow in detail. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.